You spoke and we listened. From the creators that brought you the most funded air-to-water dispenser ever comes the next evolution in hydration and innovation. Introducing CaraPod.
With the mission of making drinking water accessible to all. Along the way, we heard a lot of love for our product, but one piece of feedback stuck with us.
I love your product, but can you make it small enough for my Brooklyn apartment?
We took that challenge to heart. For the past 2 years, our team has been hard at work miniaturizing our award-winning technology without compromising on performance, quality, or sustainability. The result? CaraPod, a sleek, powerful, and compact air-to-water dispenser, engineered to fit any lifestyle and any space. And best of all, it's the most affordable device of its kind on the market today. Same trusted innovation, smaller footprint, lower cost. This is hydration reimagined.
The water dispenser produces 1 gallon of high-quality mineral drinking water every single day. And it's the world's first self-refilling coffee machine. Fresh water, fresh coffee, all in one smart device. This is CaraPod.
Those weekly bottled water runs and daily trips to the coffee shop might seem small, but they add up fast. In fact, the average person spends over $1,766 a year on just water and coffee alone. With CaraPod, that all changes. This compact countertop device produces over 200 bottles worth of clean, mineral-rich water every single month, straight from the air around you. That's more than enough to replace your bottled water habit and your morning coffee routine. No more lugging heavy cases of water up to your apartment. No more waking up to an empty coffee machine and no time to spare. CaraPod is always ready, automatically refilling itself with pure, refreshing water and brewing your favorite coffee whenever you need it. It's convenience, savings, and sustainability delivered in one sleek device. Save thousands annually while making your life a whole lot easier. CaraPod is designed for convenience and flexibility. It works seamlessly with original Nespresso pods, so you can keep enjoying the coffee you love. But we didn't stop there. We're also proud to introduce our very own line of 100% biodegradable coffee pods, crafted with sustainability in mind. These eco-friendly pods are filled with premium coffee and made from plant-based materials that break down naturally. When you're done brewing, simply toss the used pod into your garden or compost bin. In just a short time, it turns into nutrient-rich soil that helps your plants thrive. Great coffee, less waste, and a better planet. With CaraPod, your morning ritual is more sustainable than ever. Our new air drive technology makes CaraPod ultra-quiet and highly efficient in all environments, even deserts. Key features include linear directional air intake system for silent operation, quick change filter that slides in and out without opening the device, magnetic connect drip tray for easy access, slim 8-inch profile to maximize countertop space, Smart Sense lid that automatically switches off UV light when removed. Dual nozzles, separate for water and coffee to prevent cross-contamination. High frame rate touchscreen with multiple pouring options. Wi-Fi connectivity for regular updates. And a 3.2-liter water tank with illuminated level display.
Pennsylvania, where we grew up with contaminated well water. I was then inspired by our beetle that can turn air into water using just its shell. Our technology replicates this superpower, 2 million liters of water, and offset millions of plastic bottles.
Whether you're a work-from-home hustler powering through back-to-back meetings, or a weekend warrior gearing up for your next adventure, CaraPod is built to fit your lifestyle. It keeps you hydrated with clean, mineral-rich water made right from the air and fuels your day with fresh coffee without the daily coffee shop run or single-use plastic waste. Better hydration, better caffeination, and serious savings over time. CaraPod isn't just a product, it's a smarter way to live.